Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add the outline on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To add the outline on your Google Docs, you just want to click here. You can see this is the outline. So you can click any topic. It will be automatically go to the page or the topic. So this is called outline. So you can easily switch between the topics on the document, entire document. If you have 100 pages, you can easily click on the topic, and you can just if you just want to go to the view and click on the outline. So then it will show if it hide, and you just use this. You can delete the outlines by using this X mark option here, and you can add the outline. How to add? Just click on the specific topic that you want. I just clicking on the specification. So I just want to click here, and I just want to click on the apply heading. So you can see the outline has been applied. So by this option you can use heading, title, and whatever that you want. Just select the title, then click here any word, and just click on the apply option. You can see it's automatically updated here. So by using this option, you can easily enable the outline for your document, entire document. Just want to select the topic name and just want to click the position of it, about its title or heading or whatever that you want. It automatically will be added, or you can also delete it by using the previous method I just used now. So by this option you can add the outline for your Google Docs.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.